Hi everyone, this is Akira and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be getting ready for a birthday party. So I have done my day skincare routine. I have no makeup, but I am going to start now. So I'm just gonna put this one into my hair. So I'm gonna start with primer, and I'm using this MAC Pre Plus Prime Fix Plus Rose. This one. Next is I'm gonna apply liquid foundation, and I'm using this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25R with Comfort Serum. This one, guys, and the shade is Ivory. Next is I'm going to apply a powder foundation, and I'm using this Too Faced powder foundation and a brush from Morphe. This one, guys. Next is my eyebrow, and I prefer to use eyebrow pencil. It's just, this is what I'm used to. And I'm using OXX Bloom, and the shade is light. May pagka-brown siya, guys. Next is I'm going to apply an eyeshadow, but before that, I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this W7 I Got the Power. Now I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow, and I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way eyeshadow palette. I really love the shades. It's so beautiful, guys. And I did an unboxing review about this palette. So if you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you can check it out, guys. So I'm gonna start with this color right here. I'm done my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to put a liquid eyeliner, and I'm using this liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. Next is, I'm gonna put some mascara, and I'm actually using two mascaras kasi malapit na itong maubos, guys. So I'm using Maybelline, itong yellow, the Colossal Volume Express, and the other one is from Rimmel, the Scandal Eyes Rockin' Curves. So ito, guys, I'm gonna put first the Maybelline and then after itong Rimmel. So, I'm gonna curl my lashes afterwards, guys. Like, curling my lashes is the last step kasi nanonotice ko, pag i-curl ko siya and then after mascara, mawawala agad yung curl niya. So, I want to put first mascaras and then curl afterwards para magstay talaga yung curl niya, guys. Now, I'm gonna put eyeliner, and I'm using this black eyeliner from LOL. Next is, I'm gonna apply concealer, and I'm using this concealer from Jeffreestar, and the shade is C11. This one, guys. Next is, I'm gonna put a setting powder, and I'm using the setting powder from Jeffreestar, and the shade is beige. So, I'm not gonna bake it, I'm gonna brush it straight away. Now, it's time for contouring, and I'm using this contour kit from e.l.f. So, meron siyang contour and blush on, guys. I actually have 3 kits of contour, like contour kit. So I have the Profusion, Revlon, and this one e.l.f. So I'm using this today, this e.l.f. one. So before I start putting my blush on, I'm gonna do first my nose line, and I'm using this Profusion contour kit. This is the one I told you earlier, guys, that I have another contour kit. So this is the one. I'm gonna use this for my nose line. So I'll be using the ivory shade for my nose line. This one, guys. This one. Now I'm gonna put some blush on, and I'm using this again, the e.l.f. contour kit. Next is, I'm gonna put some highlighter, and I'm using this Jeffreestar highlighter. The shade is Skin Frost Princess Cup. Ito, guys, ayan. Matagal na to sa akin, guys. Parang 2 years na, hindi pa rin siya naubos. Ayan, guys, so next I'll be putting lipstick on, and I'm using this mirror lipstick from MAC. So, tapos na ako, guys. Now, I'm gonna put some setting spray. And I'm using this MAC again, the Prep and Prime. Kasi setting spray din siya. So I'm just gonna spray this. So after this, guys, I'm gonna curl my lashes. So as what I've said earlier, na curling my lashes is my last step. So since tapos na tayo, magko-curl na tayo ng lashes. Now I'm all done, so I'm just gonna get changed and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm all done. This is my finished party look for tonight. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.